Hi there, Larry Ann with Pink Dahlia Soaps here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are well. Today's soap is a soap inspired by Care Bears. Since the soap will be all one color, I'm just going to go ahead and add the colorant to the oils right now before I even add in the lye water solution. And the Care Bear that I'm using for inspiration today is Cheer Bear. And the fragrance oil that I'm using for this soap is Cherry Lemonade. Here is the fabulous embed I'm using today. Let me show you very quickly how I made it. I wonder what's on my embed tray. Some very simple red melt and pour hearts. Time to pipe some fluffy white soap.
Care Bears Countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This has been the Care Bears Countdown to your mandatory motion sickness inducing shaky shot. 48 hours later, let's cut this soap. Yay! I'm in love. I love the way this soap turned out. You know, I don't know why the soap is discolored like that, but almost immediately it changes back to pink. Not sure what that is, never seen it before, but it corrected itself, so I'm okay with that. Just wanted to show you a close-up of the weirdness. Has this ever happened to anyone where you put an embed in and it does like a perfect rectangle of discoloration around the embed, but then moments later it corrects itself? I don't know. Never seen this. Thought it was interesting. Well, that was fun. And as I mentioned before, the next soap will also be Care Bear inspired, so I hope you come back and join me for that one as well. Until then, thank you so very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, or leave a comment below. Cannot wait to see you next time. Be safe and take care. Bye-bye.